Sending money via Zelle to Chime is a convenient and efficient way to transfer funds to friends, family, or yourself. To get started, you need to have a bank account or credit union that supports Zelle, as well as the Chime mobile banking app. First, ensure you have the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the app, enroll your bank account or credit union by following the prompts. You will need to provide your bank account information and verify your identity. Next, open the Chime mobile banking app and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the option to link an external bank account or add a new account. Select Zelle as the payment method and follow the instructions to link your Zelle account to Chime. You will need to provide your Zelle email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. After linking your Zelle account to Chime, you can initiate a transfer. Open the Zelle app and select Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Chime account. If the recipient is not enrolled in Zelle, they will receive an invitation to enroll. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed. Review the transaction details, including the recipient's information and the amount, to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transaction by selecting Send. The money will be transferred directly into the recipient's Chime account, usually within minutes. Keep in mind that Zelle transactions typically have a limit, so be sure to check your account limits before initiating a transfer. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions are irrevocable, meaning once the money is sent, it cannot be canceled or reversed. Therefore, double-check the recipient's information and the amount before confirming the transaction. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle, as some banks or credit unions may charge a small fee for the service. In summary, sending money via Zelle to Chime is a straightforward process that requires enrolling in Zelle, linking your Zelle account to Chime, and initiating a transfer using the Zelle app. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send money to friends, family, or yourself using Zelle and Chime.